Welcome to friends on my YouTube channel. Today topic is computer network model. In this video we will see that what is a computer network model and what is a basic element of the layer architecture and why do we require layer architecture. Now let's start. Now first of all we can start with the computer network model. A communication subsystem is complex piece of hardware and software. Early attempts for implementing the software for such a subsystem were based on the single complex unstructured program with the many interacting component. The result software is very difficult to test and modify. To overcome such the problem, the ISO has developed a layer approach. In a layer approach, networking concept is divided into the server level. Each layer is assigned the particular task. Therefore, we can say that the networking tasks depend upon the layer. Now, the next topic is layer architecture. The main aim is a layer architecture is divided the design into the small piece. Each lower layer adds its service to higher layer to provide a full set of service to manage communication and run the application. It provides the mobility and clear interface. It ensures the independence between the layer by providing the service from lower to higher layer without define how the services are implemented. Therefore, any modification in layer will not affect it to other layer. The number of the layer function content of each layer will be vary from network to network. Now the next topic is which basic element required for the layer architecture. There are three basic structure: service, protocol and interface. First is a service. It is a set of the action that a layer provide to the higher layer. In a protocol, it is a defined set of rules that layer use to exchange the information with the peer entity. This rule mainly concern about both the content and order of the message use. Interface. It is a way through the which is message is transferred from the one layer to another layer. Now one question is arise, why do we require layer architecture? Design and conquer approach. Design and conquer approach make a design process in such a way that unmanageable tasks are divided into the small and manageable tasks. In short, we can say that this approach reduces the complexity of the design. Modularity. Layer of the architecture is more modular. Modularities provide the independence of layer which is easy to understand and implement, easy to modify. It ensures the independence of the layer so that implementation in one layer can be changed without affecting to other layer. Easy to test. Each layer of the layer architecture can be analyzed and tested individually. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.